Hey, do you know what do creatives do when they have a self-sabotage moment? You guessed it right, they make a video about it. So the story is that the whole weekend I've been self-sabotaging myself from the creative process. I kind of had my reasons. I've been working hard, I've been feeling a bit tired. You know, my hair has been looking so weird lately, so I had my reasons, But today I've been sitting at my desk doing nothing and realizing that I want to stop this process. And the best way for me to do it is to bring the self-sabotage to its highest point. What you need to do for that is to make 2 lists. First list should be about the things that you really want but you don't have at the moment. Like for me, it's having a YouTube channel and posting good videos every week, making a good portfolio, or drawing something, like anything, after a month's break without being afraid of it. After that, you make a second list, a list of things that stop you from achieving your goals. What does make you anxious? Why are you being stopped? Why are you being chained and not allowing yourself to be creative and do your thing? I grabbed my ink, I grabbed my notebook and started illustrating this weird concept I have in my head. I came up with absurd things sometimes, but I was happy to let it out. What am I worried about? What makes me anxious? Things like confusions and illusions. The difference of how and now. Searching for your own goal, keeping trying and being fine. People saying it's nice to see you or you're always welcome. Do they mean it or do they fake it? Or those who tell you I beg your pardon, or texting you okay with a dot at the end. What is wrong with those people? When you don't have any idea of who you are and who you should be, and just hope that you're either a sleeping beauty or the most very. Letting all of this shit out of my head really helped me to empty the space for the good and nice concepts I manifested in my first list. And I ended up having this book of illustrations in my hand and being super excited, super satisfied with myself. Okay, this is something I did today, nice. And self-sabotage went away. Then I also realized that, cool, I have now some idea to share with people and make a video about it and post it on YouTube and bring the goals from my first list forward. So this is how I overcome my self-sabotage. And how do you?